Attempt two. All right, guys. Oh, what a Barney! What a Barney, guys. That's what I get for trying to stream from the pool. We get errors, but I think we're good now. So just give me a moment. I was going to push out this link again to the community, and we'll get started. Oh, baby. It's a bit noisy here. All people swimming. All right, one moment. Let me just share this again. Live stream. Oh, I can't believe that, guys. Sorry about the sound issue in the first one, but we'll do it all again. We have to start all over again, baby. We'll just quickly go over. Bear with me one moment. So, story. All right. Just pushing this out. I'll start in 1 minute, guys. I promise the sound will not drop off this time. Live stream. Right, let's go again. Anyway, how is everyone? I hope everyone is blessed and has had a good week. Let me just make sure. Yeah, the sound's all good now. Sounds all good. Aaron, how you doing, bro? You good? Thanks for coming on again. Oh, what a Barney. I promise I won't, the sound will not go now. The sound will not go. Hope you've all had a blessed week. As I said, I'm just decided to stream from where I'm at today, because usually most of my days I am actually by the pool. I'm by the beach with my laptop, just because I think like change of scene just massive for me. Obviously right by the pool. It's nice. Serenade, you know, for this. So anyway, guys, attempt two, I wanted to bring you an update because we're at a critical area with Bitcoin. So let me just share my screen. Bam, enter the matrix. Let's bring on Bitcoin chart again. So let me just make sure you can hear me. Okay, cool. Right, guys, so remember this wedge structure. This is what I was trying to say. So this wedge structure, which we've been monitoring for a little while, has been containing Bitcoin price action. Look at us again, how we've come down for a big retest of the lower acting trend line. Okay, we came down to that today. That's why I just wanted to go live right at that point, just to see how we respond to that. Obviously, the buyers quickly defending that trend line there. You can see it on the 4 hour. Okay, you can see that on the 4 hour where we've bounced today and trying to push to the upside. What I was explaining as well was just how, you know, how I've said in a previous video in a number of my streams, let me just close this a minute, how we can hedge our portfolio by margin trading, right? And this big opportunity, just technical beauty came in play here with this left shoulder, this head, this right shoulder. You see that? And then we formed a flag just at that neckline area. So bam, sellers come into play, selling, really capitalizing there. And then obviously we consolidated yesterday after that big technical correction, that big pullback, consolidating, and then a breakout this flag. Look, keep an eye. We need to break back into this range. You see this range here? We need to break back into this so that we can regather some bull momentum. Reclaim this 39,400 where we've been top, reclaim that, and then we can extend and go for another challenge of 42k. All right, remember, you can see the significance of that 42k mark, as I mentioned earlier in the week. When we previously broke that, fine, made way for downside. Support, made way for downside. Initial rejection, and then breakout retest, and then extension to the upside. So you can see the significance of 42k. We have to break back above this to really have another shot at some upside momentum. Now, the downside scenario, if this trend line gives way at 38,300, we come all the way down to 34k. But if we maintain this momentum, we can have a second shot. We still got potentially, we can still class this as a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. We can still class that. The right shoulder is still above this, the head on the inverse. So we can still extend to the upside and reclaim 42k, and then eventually what we need to do is break above 45,000 there. Okay, that's what we need to do, and then break out of this wedge to the upside. So it doesn't have to necessarily be a bearish, right? It doesn't have to be bearish, this wedge. We can break out and retest that and extend to the upside. If you look on a weekly anyway, I explained previously on the weekly how you know, we've got this double bottom. I'll keep talking about it because it's still in play. We've got this bottom here at 34k, second bottom here at 34k, neckline at sort of 46k, right? W structure. So keep an eye on that. That's still playing out. We still want to fill this wick to the upside there for Bitcoin from that previous week. All right, so we just need this to hold today. This is the critical area I'm talking about, hence the title of this video. On the news flow side of things, guys, by the way, Stripe, okay, this is big. I've used Stripe for many years with multiple businesses. Stripe is a massive payment processor, has a number of businesses on its book globally, right? And they've announced fiat payment support for cryptocurrencies and NFTs. So they've partnered with FTX, FTX US, blockchain.com, Nifty Gateway, Just Mining to launch its crypto business suite. So this is massive, significantly ramping up its crypto incentives after it launched its service that enables payments for NFTs and digital assets via fiat currency. So again, great news for the industry, great news as we push towards that goal of mass adoption. All right, so keep an eye on Bitcoin today, guys. We're down 0.6%, but let's see what's going on in the 1 hour, 30 minute. Okay, so we're trying to break back above this trend line now and back into this range. You see this range here, find some support and then extend to the upside, breakout retest and then push to the north, back to challenge 42k. I think we'll get today. Okay, we'll get that today. Yeah, that's it really. How's everyone's trading week been? I hope it's been blessed, but that's just a quick update for you, and I'm just gonna enjoy this Friday, just a chilled one. Every day's chilled.